December 2009. We had a huge storm of snow, somewhere around 15 inches, I think. And this is Noam out in the snow for the first time.
Man, that's huge.
Last year we just had a little bit of snow, but he was too young to play in it, really.
I'm gonna jump over there.
Okay.
You ready?
All right, let's watch Ava.
Okay. Hi.
He's a 36-year-old child.
Wow.
Hey, Noam. Not sure what to make of this now.
שלג. יש שלג. היי נועם, רוצה ללכת בשלג? אני הולך כמו
These are our
דובון.
cars in our house.
Oh, check out the icicles.
Our neighbor's house has icicles on it. That's pretty.
נועם, אתה רוצה לשבת? בוא, תשב פה.
Ava started digging out the cars, but it's gonna take a while. Man, crazy. Whee! Look at Noam on a sled.
Yes, me.
Uh-oh.
Mom, watch this. Mom. Mom, cover. Face up.
Hi. Good morning.
Morning.
You with the goggles.
I figured somebody is gonna say something. So far, the guys have been nice about it.
Well, you guys are making out.